Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Well, I am at my favorite reservoir that I love to fish, and you guys have seen me catch lots of fish out of this reservoir, and it's a beautiful day, 72, 73 degrees outside, overcast, and got about 3.5 hours to fish, and I'm going to get out here and try to hammer some largies. Made a new friend here, Mr. Colin.
How's it going, everybody?
Give a big shout out to whoever you want.
Just the whole Reebok crew.
Oh, there you go. So he's a Reebok guy. So super nice guy. I hooked him up with some Z-Man products. He's going to test them out. He's going to shoot me some messages, tell me what to think. I hope he catches some fish. But we're going to get out here and catch some donkeys. I'm going to link up with him. Hopefully he calls me, take him out, do some fishing, let him really see how he can fish this body of water too. And we're going to get out here and we're going to try to get on some donkeys. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, I am going to start off with a spinnerbait. This is a Strike King. Got a Kitech trailer. It's a shad color, gold and silver spinners. Colorado blade spinners, small ones though. But we've got a nice little breeze. I got him. There's a bass. All right. Somewhere's got to go off. All right. Get in here. All right. First one of the day. Look at that, guys. First one of the day. Nice largie. Right out the gate. Y'all see that? Nice largie. All right, let's get a picture of him and get him back in the water. All right, guys, nice little largie, first one of the day. Gonna get him back in the water. See you, bud. Who's off? So that was a good way to start the day. Spinnerbait bite. I love it. I love spinnerbait bites. So we're gonna get back out there. All right, everybody, we got our first one. Like I said, throwing this white shad color Strike King. It's got 2 Colorado blades, 1 gold, 1 silver, with a Kitech trailer on it. And I can't remember what the weight is of it, but we're just slow trolling this grass. And bam, there was a bass right there. All right, guys, I've been throwing the spinnerbait for a little while. I'm back to the slim swim. Got a nice little breeze going. I'm hoping I can pitch up some, or maybe this cover, and maybe create something here. Oh, there's a fish. We got him. GoPro on. Where's he going? Oh, he's actually a pretty decent bass. I can see him. He woke up. Oh, come here. All right, number 2. Whew. Bass. Got him on the slim swim. I'll take that all day long. There we go. Another nice reservoir bass. All right, guys. Got this really nice guy. A little battle damage there. Super nice bass. Let's get him back down in the water. See you, bud. He's off. All right, number 2 for the day. I'll take that. Threw right up on some structure over there, and there he was. So we're gonna keep on working. All right, everybody. So slim one, spinnerbait one. Hopefully we can get on a few more. Oh, there's one right there. It's a little crappie. Little crappie. Little bitty crappie. Little crappie. Little crappie. See you, bud. I'll take it. Well, guys, now we got 3 fish. Little crappie and 2 decent bass. So things are starting to look up a little bit. I'm gonna just troll back through this creek here. See if I can find a few more. One thing I like about these swims is that they're pretty much a catch all kinds of fish type bait, but I catch a lot of nice bass on it, but you'll catch some crappie and catch some other fish as well, and it's just a really good all-around bait to fish. I mean, if you guys want to catch lots of fish and even catch good sized fish, the slim swim you can't go wrong with. Right now I'm throwing the pearl white. I throw the deal color a lot as well. The deal color and the pearl white are probably my 2 go-to colors for this bait. Seem to be working the best. I have a moon color. I have one that has a little chartreuse on it that I just got that caught me a couple fish on the river. It was a little muddy there. I wish I'd have brought that bait today because I'd probably be throwing that one today. But I forgot to put them back in my bag because I was river fishing and forgot to take my kayak stuff that I was doing and put it back in my bag for fishing the lake. So hopefully we can get a few more fish here. That's the plan. All right, guys, quick update. It's about 9:45. I got out here about 8:30. Got 2 bass so far, decent quality ones, you know, probably about 1.5 pounds or so. It's been a little bit of a struggle. Had a couple more bites on the spinnerbait, but nothing. So I got 1 on a spinnerbait, 1 on the Z-Man Slim Swim so far. I'm moving back up in this little channel that goes back to the little river that fills this stream, excuse me, and hopefully I can get on another one. I'm trying to get out of the wind a little bit because it's pretty windy, but my fishing is pretty fast, so I can get back out on the main lake and work up, because I'd like to get on a little crappie bite over by where the dam is at before I leave as well. So hopefully we're gonna get on a few more, so stay tuned and let's see what else we can catch. Well, guys, this wind is making it extremely tough to fish. Like, a little bit of wind is one thing, but this is crazy. It's blowing me all over the place. This is crazy. Got to keep the trolling motor running. There's no real place to get out of the wind in this reservoir, so there's a fish. Oh yeah. All right. Well, I knew there was one on there. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Another nice bass. Not big, but I will take him. Gotta tell you, those slim swims definitely get you some fish. Y'all see that? Nice bass. Yeah, buddy. We will take him. All right, guys. It's my nice little bass. He's not big, but he's decent size. He's a good, fun one to catch. Let's get him back in the water there. See you, bud. He is off. All right. All right, guys. So, got that guy on the Z-Man Slim Swim in the pearl white. That would be this bait right here. 1/16 ounce jig head, and pulled him right off of this structure right here. So maybe there's another one hanging out here. I'm a little close to it, which I don't want to be, but we might be able to find one more. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. Come at him a different way. I was just slow rolling that thing, and he said doink. So glad I decided to fish this spot. Glad I changed out and threw this little slim swim. Slimy, nasty crap. Some nasty weeds in this reservoir. Ouch, for sure. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, this is a decent fish. I can't reel him. Stay out of cover. Where's he going? He's going under the boat. Where's he going? Where's he going? He's another decent bass right there. Alright. Nice. Nice. Another one in the boat. You can go with that. Z-Man Slim Swim, guys. All I gotta tell you is it's a really good bait. Alright, guys. Another nice bass on the Z-Man Slim Swim. See you later, bud. Alright, so I pulled two off of this spot right here. Let's see if we might find one more. Alright guys, I just pulled two bass off of this nice structure right here. Hopefully I can get one more off of here. Hopefully there's a couple. They seem to be hanging out here. So let's throw this Z-Man Slim Swim in here a couple more times and see if we might find one more bass. Well guys, I've had to work at it today. Between the wind and the just toughness of the bite. A tough day of fishing. But I did end up catching 4 decent fish so far. One little crappie. So I am not going to complain with that. Oh, got him, got him. Got him. Not a big one, but we will take him. All right, dude. And he's back in the water. Well, but he's on the boat anyway. So, there you go. He's a little one, no big deal. There's one. I knew there was going to be one. Get off my... Right over that log. All right. Nice. All right. Hooked right in the top. Nice bass. Yeah, man. Not big, but lots of fun. Lots of fun. Definitely finished up a pretty good day. I'm going to get a picture of him, get him back in the water. There's another nice Toadier Creek bass. Lots of fun. See you, bud. He's off. All right. Turned out to be a pretty good day at the end. Had to work at it. Crazy wind. I knew there was going to be one right off of there. I swam it right over the top of that log. Let it drop right as I got on the other side, and boom, there was another fish. Well, guys, as you can see, I am done. I am back in my truck. I got everything loaded up. I am ready to go. What a crazy day. The wind picked up and got really crazy nutty. It was interesting. It was a struggle, and then at the end, it just picked up real quick. I mean, like the last 45 minutes of fishing, I caught 4 bass, so it was kind of crazy. But, you know, I was throwing a Strike King shad type, shad color spinnerbait with a Kitech trailer on it, and that's what caught me my first bass. And then everything else was on the Z-Man Slim Swim and Pearl White. You guys, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love that bait, and it catches a lot of fish for me, so I definitely enjoy fishing it. Yeah, other than that, you know, it was a decent day. It was tough with the wind. It was tough conditions, but, you know, I stuck it out and caught some fish, and that's what you got to do sometimes. Sometimes you got to stick it out and find the fish. I was marking a lot of fish between 2 and 6 foot, and so I was trying to let my Slim Swim drop down, and, you know, I'd count down to about 5 and start rolling it back, so I'm kind of in that 3 to 6 foot column, and that's what was getting bit. You know, everything was on structure. There was nothing really not on structure, so everything that I casted to where I caught a fish was on structure somewhere. And so, yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it was. I did try a crankbait. You know, I tried a trick shot by Z-Man. What else did I throw? I threw a couple other swim baits, and you know, I only got 1 bite on the spinnerbait. Everything else came on the Z-Man Slim Swim, like I said. But, you know, that's a go-to bait. I got to tell you, that thing is just phenomenal. I mean, if you guys just want to catch lots of fish, go get you some Slim Swims in a couple different colors. I mean, the main 2 colors I recommend is the Pearl White and the Deal color, and you'll go catch tons of fish. And I catch big fish. I've caught 3-4 pounders with that Slim Swim, and just had a blast. And if you're fishing light line or light rod, I mean, I was fishing 8-pound test. I got a medium fast rod, the 7.2 Enigma, and then I've got an Enigma HPT reel, and yeah, that's a blast to catch them on. So lots of fun. Nice day. It's, you know, in the mid to, you know, high 70s. It's not, you know, it's cooling down, and just a good day to be out, other than the wind. The wind was tough. The wind was a struggle. It was blowing me all over the place, and in my little 10-foot boat, it definitely makes me do cookies sometimes and can be tough to fish. But, you know, like I said, I persevered, I got through it, and I caught some fish. So, I hope you guys liked the video. I can't talk. I always stumble sometimes. I don't know why. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it. I hope that, you know, these videos help you guys, and hope you try some of these baits that I fish, especially the Z-Man Slim Swim and some of the Z-Man stuff. I really like it a lot. It's just some really great baits to catch me a lot of fish, and if you watch my videos, you see I use those a lot, and they do really well. So, yeah, that's about all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, hit that like button, that subscribe button, the ding dong button, all that stuff you got to do for YouTube. And just do yourself a favor, get out there, get your lines wet, and catch some fish.